Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're talking about sheepskin. Sheepskin is really the way to have a nice, comfortable ride. It keeps you warm in the winters, keeps you cool in the summers. There's really three main products that we offer that are sheepskin. This first one is called the Sheepskin Insert. So let's check it out inside. This is the Subaru Forester that's on, but again, this application can be on most any vehicle. You do need to let us know what vehicle you have though, so we make sure that it's the right dimensions for your vehicle. Now again, this is the insert. It is a very simple install. We have a full install video how to put it on, but there's Velcro up at the top up here that hooks around the headrest posts, and then there's two elastic straps that tuck in between the seat right here. They're on the back side right back here, so you can see that where there's that elastic strap right there. So that two of those that push through the seat right there, and then there's two on the front that go around and then hook on to the bottom of the seat, and these elastic straps as well hook onto the bottom of the seat, so it keeps it nice and snug. You know, it really doesn't move around too much as you're inside there, and just so comfortable. And we have this on the driver and passenger side, so you can see what it looks like together. And this is the black sheepskin here. There's other colors, there's charcoal, and there's some tan options. But again, we really like the black. And again, for these seats in here, it looked really nice because it's already black cloth seats inside. So that is gonna be the sheepskin insert. So it really covers the backrest, the bottom section in the middle. So kind of your main seating area right there. So that's it. That's the insert option. We're going to show you two other options as well, but again, that's really how the insert option looks. And again, to see exactly how to install it, check out our full install video on that one. The next one is actually the most basic way to get started with sheepskin, and that is the sheepskin bottom. So down here, it's just covering the bottom section. Now it does cover more than just the insert, it's covering the sides as well. So it's a larger, kind of wider cover, and it's a big square cover like this, and it covers the full bottom section right there. Again, really nice and soft. This particular one could actually be used inside the office, or it can be used inside the vehicle. So I actually have one on my office chair strapped down, and it's very nice, very comfortable again. Now this one, how this one works is two of those elastic straps, so right here on the front, go down and then hook on to the bottom of the cover there, or bottom of the seat there, and these two straps tuck through the seat crevice right there, and then go underneath and hook on as well. So that's what keeps that one on. So again, it stays nice and nice and snug, not slipping around on you. And as well, just like that other one, here's the non-slip material on the back, so then it's not completely slipping around for you. So really designed for the automotive vehicles, so then as you're getting in and out, it's not slipping around. But again, I really love it on the office chair as well. So that's a seat cover bottom. That's the sheepskin bottom. We looked at the sheepskin insert over there, and now we're going to show you the sheepskin double cap over on this other side. Okay, so we're going to go check it out on this driver's side. So this is on the Toyota Avalon right now, but again, the double cap works, and the seat cover bottom works on any vehicle. So you just need to let us know what vehicle you have, and when you get these ordered, let us know the color and how many you want, and we can get it ordered up for you. Again, you can always order that at coversandcamo.com or by giving us a call. Okay, so here's the double cap. So different from the bottom and the insert, it's going to cover a lot more. So again, and we call it double cap because it caps over the top up here, as well as it caps over the bottom section down here. Okay, and very similar install. Again, we have a full install video for you to watch on this, but there's elastic straps with hooks that hook around and connect onto the seat. Now, this top one here, again, I'll lift that up a little bit, how you can see that. This, again, and you see this in the install video, but you cut little slits inside up here, and those slits will allow for the headrest to pop through there and then it really gives you nice coverage. So everything is really covered up towards the top section up here. And we'll give you a backside view of this one as well to see how that covers. But the full side of your seat is covered as well. And at the bottom as well, so this side trim is going to be covered as well. And here's an elastic strap on this outside right here that you can see, and that elastic strap goes around on the outside, hooks underneath the seat to help keep this side piece covered. And it's really so comfortable, and as you're sitting on this, it's going to be hard to go back to anything else once you've tried sheepskin. Let me show you these straps right here as well. This really is a lot more coverage on this seat, so it's a little bit hard to show you where the straps are, but there's another strap right there. That's your bottom strap. The hooks on. There's one right there, one right over here. So two there, two in the middle right here that go around, and then two on the sides. So that really keeps that bottom cushion all down right there. Let me show you the back side of this as well. Jump in here. Okay, so here's this back side right here, and so here's the double cap portion. So as I was saying, again, it's called the double cap because it caps over the top and over the bottom. So here's the top cap right here. As you can see, this whole thing is covering here. Here's the other side of the cover, as you can see. So there's some of the material on the back side right there. But then this, again, all caps over. So it caps over these shoulders. So it really helps to kind of keep that seat cover in place and secured onto the seat. And then also around kind of the lower third of the seat, there's these elastic straps right here that then come around and connect onto themselves right here. So you just, and again, there's an install video showing you how to do this, but they connect onto each other right there. So you're gonna see some elastic straps, and if you're concerned with that and you want something that you don't see any straps, that's something that you could get one of our other seat covers there. But it really, the main thing that you're gonna have a benefit of with sheepskin is the comfort. It's gonna be so nice, so comfortable. Again, warm in the winter, cool in the summer. Now, this section over here, let me show you this side. This side has Velcro right here, and that Velcro is for side airbags. So if you have side airbags, this is side airbag compatible, meaning that the side airbag, if it needs to deploy, then it can blow through this section right here. So it's important to know when you're putting these covers on that you have this section with the Velcro on here is the outside of your seat, because most vehicles have the airbags on the outside. So if you were to get in a collision and somebody hit you from the side, the airbag blows out right there on the side of the seat. So it would blow through that Velcro right there, okay? So as you're installing it, you can kind of undo that Velcro as you're putting it on, but then make sure you put that Velcro back up so then you get that coverage right there and looking nice right there. So airbag compatibility right there. Again, that's that top cap section all up here, caps over the shoulders. It fits on real nice, and it looks, I think it looks good, but more than looks even is the comfort. It's so comfortable, guys. Again, I've had lots of customers that have said, hey, my leather seats or my seats get so hot during the summer. And, if you don't have the air conditioning seats, you're just kind of stuck with that. But now this is an option to cool off during the summer and really ride in a very comfortable setting inside on the sheepskin. Now I want to show you one other thing as well. This is the sheepskin steering wheel cover right here. Okay, and it's a very comfortable cover that goes around the steering wheel right here. Just nice to hold on to that. So much more comfortable and so much warmer, especially in the winter, than these steering wheels, where these wheels can get really hot during the summer and also really cold during the winter. And I've had some people, they're just like, man, my steering wheel gets so ice freezing in the winter. Now this is the way to really warm it up and have a much more comfortable grip onto your steering wheel right here. And so again, that's a steering wheel cover. It installs really easy. You just kind of hook it towards the top. Let me just show you. It comes like this right here. You just hook it on right there, and you just pull it down right there, and then you finish out by hooking it on the bottom. So you just hook the top first and then hook the bottom. So that is a little bit about the sheepskin products that we offer there, and nice, comfortable sheepskin. So there's the black, and there's some other colors as well that we offer with the charcoal and tans again, but we like the black. So let us know if you have questions about that. And if you want to get a set ordered, go to coversandcamo.com. Also there you can see all the other products that we offer over there, and get a set order for your vehicle today. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Again, coversandcamo.com. Thanks.